So today let us start with the part 3. So we'll continue with exercise 12.1. So here it says solve the following equations. So 4x plus 1 by 3 plus 3x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3x minus 7 by 4 plus 13. So what we can see here, the denominators are different. Let us solve first the left hand side here and then this is the right hand side. So here we can see this is 3 and 2 means the LCM is going to be 6. So what you need here, you need extra here 2. So this also will be multiplied by 2. So here you need 3. So this also will be multiplied by 3. So same thing is written here, 2 into 4x plus 1 plus 3 into 3x plus 1 divided by this is the LCM is 6. Now for this part you can see here is 4 and here there's nothing means there's going to be 1. So 1 into 4 because the LCM is going to be 4. So this is going to be the same. This part is going to be the same. 13 4s are 52 divided by 4. So now let us solve this one. So this is going to be 8x plus 2 and this will be plus 9x plus 3 divided by 6 will be, this will be 3x minus 7 plus 52 will be plus 45 divided by 4. So now let us take the x together, that will be 17x plus 5 divided by 6. This will be same. So now what we'll do, we'll cross multiply here. So 4 into 17x plus 5 will be, this will go here. So that will be 6 into 3x plus 45. So this will be 68x plus 20, 18x plus 270. So now we'll bring x together. This is the same. This will be here means it was going to be minus 18x. This is the same. This will be here means minus 20. So 50x will be 250. So x is going to be 250. This is multiplied. So it will get, go to the other side. So it will get divided. So after simplifying this, we get x is 5. Now we'll see this is equal to, so this will be the left hand side and this is going to be the right hand side. So this stays the same. So now we can see the denominators are different. So 3 and 6, the LCM is going to be 6. So this should be multiplied by 2. So this also by 2. So that will be, this is that step 6. Now look at this one. This minus is here and now here there are 2 terms. So you have to be very careful with this one because many times many of them make a mistake over here. This is minus. So this minus x and this minus and minus becomes plus. Because here there is nothing means there is going to be 1. So when you multiply here, you can do like this. If you're, that will be minus x plus 3. So this step is very important. Divided by this, the LCM is 6. So now this is the same. So this will be 8x plus 6 and this will be minus x plus 3 divided by 6. Again this is the same. This is going to be 7x plus 9 by 6. Now you are going to cross multiply. So 6 goes here. That will be 6 into x minus 5. That will be 4 into x plus 9. So 6x minus 30 will be 28x plus 36. So 6x, this will be here. That will be minus 28x. That will be 36. This will go on the other side. That will be plus 30. So after solving this, we get minus 22x will be 66. So x is going to be 66 divided by minus 22. That will be minus 3. So here, again, many of them will have a doubt why this is in the denominator is minus and how did we get here? Because here there is nothing means plus. Plus divided by minus is always minus. So we have to write here, we can write the minus in the numerator. So x is minus 3. Now we'll see this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So the denominator is different. So we'll take the LCM of that, which is going to be 14. So this will be multiplied by 2. So here also by 2, which is written here. This, now see here again the minus is here. That means minus 3x and this is going to be minus and minus, that is going to be plus 1. Divided by 14, that is going to be 1 by 2. So 10x minus 8 minus 3x plus 1 divided by 14 is 1 by 2. So this is going to be 7x minus 7 divided by 14 is 1 by 2. Now here you are going to cross multiply. So 2 will go here. That will be 2 into 7x minus 7, which will be 14. So after solving this, we get this 14. So this the same. This the same. This goes on the other side, becomes plus 14. This is going to be 28. So x will be 28 by 14, which is going to be 2. Now this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So we can see the denominators are different. So when we take the LCM of 4 and 3, we get 12. So this should be multiplied by 3. So this will be 3 into 3y minus 9. And this will be multiplied by 4. So that will be 4 into 2y plus 1. And this bracket is very important because there are two terms. Same over here. Divided by 12 will be, this will stay the same. So after simplifying this, we get this step. After multiplying, we get this step. And this divided by 12 will be this the same. So this is going to be 17y minus 23 divided by 12, the same. Now we are going to cross multiply. 6 goes over here. So 6 into 17y minus 3, and this will go here. That will be 12 into 7y minus 11. Sorry, that is 1. So after multiplying this, we get this. So this is already on the left hand side. This will bring it here. That will be minus 84y. The same. This will be plus 138. So after solving this, we get 18y. That is 126. So y will be 126. This is multiplied, so it will get divided, but divided by 18, which is going to be 7. Y is 7. Now you can see this is left hand side, this is the right hand side. So here the denominators are different, which is going to, the LCM is going to be 6. So here multiplied by 3, which is done here. Now again here, see here, there is a minus sign over here and there are two terms. So minus 3x and minus and plus becomes, this is minus. So this is the important step, divided by 6. So now here you can see again there are two terms here. So this should be, the LCM is going to be 3. So that is going to be 3x plus 4 divided by 3. So 3x minus 3 and this the same divided by 6 will be, this is going to be the same. So now what we can see here, 3x and minus 3x gets cancelled. Minus 3 minus 1 is going to be minus 4 by 6. This is the same. Now we are going to cross multiply. So this will go, 3 will go on the other side. So 4 into 3, which is going to be minus 12. Here, this 6 into 3x plus 4. So this is the same. After multiplying this, we get 18x plus 24. So we'll take this, we'll keep this the same. Here, minus 24. Here will be 18x. So this will be minus 12 minus 24 is going to be minus 36. Then 18x or minus 36 divided by 18, because this is multiplication, is x. So which is going to be 18 ones are 18 twos are, and this is minus, so x is going to be minus 2. Now here there are two terms. Now let us keep this first as it is. First we'll solve this bracket. So this as it is. So this is going to be 4 by 5y, and this is minus sign. And when we multiply this one, now see here, 4 by 5 into 1 by 4. So which is going to be 4 by, always this is multiplication, so this also should be multiplied. So that is going to be 4 by 20. So this is the important step. Now we'll bring this one 2 by 3y, and this will be on the other side, that will be minus 4 by 5y. This is the same, plus 1 will become minus 1. So now you will see the denominators are different, so we'll take the LCM. So LCM is going to be 15, so this should be multiplied by 5. So here 5 into 2y, and this will be multiplied by 3. So 3 into 4y divided by 15. And now you can see here again the denominators are here different. So this should be multiplied by 20. So that will be minus 4 minus 20 by 20. So this will be 10y minus 12y divided on 15, and this will be minus 4 minus 20 is going to be minus 24 by 20. So now this is going to be minus 2y by 15 is minus 24 by 20. So now what we can do here, either we can cross multiply, or we can, because we can see here y, so this y I have kept separately, this stays the same, and here this goes on the other side, so that will get multiplied into 15. So anyways you can do it, either cross multiply or you can do this way. So minus 2y is, after simplifying this one, we get minus 18. So y will be, see a minus and minus, both side is minus, so it becomes plus. Or if you, again here, if you are confused, what you can do here, minus 18 divided by minus 2. So 2 nines are, so minus divided by minus is going to be plus. Anyways you can do it. So 18 by 2, so y is going to be 9. Now here what we will do first, we'll solve the brackets first. So that will be 5y plus 60 minus 34 minus minus becomes plus 17y. And let us take this on the right hand side. So 8 into 7y minus 1. So now let us take y together, which is going to be 22y. This together, which will be plus 26. And this, let us multiply this, remove the brackets. That will be 56y minus 8. So now this will be as it is. This will come on this side minus 56y. This stays the same. Here this will go on the other side. That will be minus 26. So after this one, that is going to be minus 34y. And this is going to be minus 34. So again here both the sides you can see minus signs. So let us cancel out that. So the y is going to be 34 and this is multiplication. So it will get divided, which is going to be 1. Y is 1. Now here, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So we can see the denominators are different. So the LCM is going to be 6. So here already we have 6. So this stays as it is. But here we have to multiply by 2. So this also will be multiplied by 2. But before that, what we can see here, there is a minus sign. So here there is no problem here because if we are putting a bracket, so here we are not going to change because in the next step, it is going to get changed. So let us put the bracket. We'll put this minus 2 outside the bracket and x minus 5 let us keep in the bracket. So because here there are two terms. So again this is what you have to remember. So divided by 6 is 3. So this will be same, minus 2x plus 10 by 6 is 3. So this will be 3x plus 12 by 6 is 3. So 3x plus 12 will be 18. This 6 will go on the other side. 6 3 is 18. 3x will be 18. This will go here. That will be minus 12. So 3x will 6. X is going to be 6 divided by 3, which is going to be x is 2. Now here, again, we can do one thing here directly. We can cross multiply here. So this will go on this side. So this 5 into 2, which is going to be 10. And n minus 4 is as it is. And this will go on this side. This thing will go, that will be 4 into 2. 4 into 3, which is going to be 12, and this will be n minus 7. So cross multiply this one. Then we are going to remove the brackets. 10x minus 40. This is going to be 12n minus 84. So this is the same. This will go on the other side minus 12n, and this is going to be minus 84, and this is going to be minus 40. That is going to be plus 40. So minus 12 plus 10, that is going to be minus 2n, and which is going to be minus 44. So n is going to be 44 divided by 2, which is going to be 22. Now let us see this part. This is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. Again, the denominators are different. So if we take the LCM, that is going to be 15. So this should be multiplied by 5. And this should be multiplied by 3. So 5 into 6x minus 2 minus 3 into 2x minus 1. So here we are not changing the sign because we already got this number, as well as we are putting this in a bracket. So we are not changing the sign. So at the next step, this sign gets changed. So this is divided by 15 is 1 by 3. So which is going to be 30x minus 10 minus 6x plus 3 by 15 is 1 by 3. So this is going to be 24x minus 7 by 15 is 1 by 3. Now you can cross multiply here. So 3 into 24x minus 7 is going to be, this will go, 15 will go on the other side, that is going to get 15. So this will be 72x minus 21 is 15. So 72x stays on the same place. This 15 minus, this becomes plus 21. So 72x is going to 6. So your x will be 36. So this x is going to be 36 by 72, which is going to be 1 by 2. Again, here you can see this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So the denominators are different. So LCM is going to be 12 over here. So this will be multiplied by 3 and this will be multiplied by 4. So which will be 3 into x minus 2 and this plus 4 divided by 12. And here what we can see, this is 1. So this will be multiplied by 3. The LCM is going to be 3. So here also 3. So this is going to be 3x. And now here you can see 3 is already here. So that doesn't change. That is going to be 1. So here will be, or we can put here 1 so that you don't get confused. Minus 1 into 2x minus 1. So that will be minus 2x plus 1 by 3. So 3x minus 6 plus 4 divided by 12, this is going to be x plus 1 by 3. So 3x minus 6 plus 4 is going to be minus 2 by 12. This will be same. So now we are going to cross multiply 3 into 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 is going to be 12 into x plus 1. So 9x minus 6 is 12x plus 12. So 9x minus 12x is going to be 12, and this is going to be plus 6. So minus 3x is going to be 18. So x will be 18 divided by minus 3, which is going to be minus 6. Let us see this problem. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So now we have three numbers here. When you take the LCM of 6, 3 and 4, that is going to be 12. So this should be multiplied by 2. So this also by 2. This by 4. So this also by 4. This by 3. So this also should be multiplied by 3. So that is the same thing written over here. So this is going to be 8x and this 2 into 1 minus x, and this will be 3 into 1 minus 7x by 12. And this is a mixed fraction, so let us make it to improper fraction. So this will be 18 plus 2, that is going to be 20 by 3. So now let us expand this one. 2 minus 2x plus 8x minus 3 plus 21x by 12 will be 20 by 3. So this is going to be, now we can see x3 here, that is going to be this and this part. So that is going to be 27x minus 1 by 12, that will be 20 by 3. So now we can cross multiply over here. So 3 into 27x minus 1 will be 20 into, this will go on the other side, that will be multiplied by 12. So it will be 81x minus 3 will be, this will be 240. So this one will be 81x will be 240. This will go on the other side, that is going to be plus 3. So 81x will be 243. So x will be 243 by 81, which is going to be x is 3. Now again, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So the LCM for this is 35. So this should be multiplied by 7 and this should be multiplied by, again this 7, this by 5. So this also by 5. So what you can see here, this 3 is already there. So this should be 21 into x minus 1. And this is going to be 25 into x minus 4 divided by 35 is 1. So 21x minus 21 minus 25x plus 100 by 35 is going to be 1. So this, when it here we can see 21x, this was going to be minus 4x, and this we can see plus 79 divided by 35 is 1. So this is the left hand side, this will go on the right hand side. So this will be 35 into 1, that is going to be 35. So minus 4x will be 35 minus 79 minus 4x will be minus, after solving this is going to be minus 44. So x is going to be 44 by, because both the side there is a negative sign, that becomes positive. So 44 by 4, which is going to be 11. Now let us see here, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. The denominators are different. So let us take the LCM, is going to be 6. So multiply by 2, this also by 2. This will be multiplied by 3, so this also by 3. So now what you can see here, this is going to be 10 into x plus 2. And this is going to be 9 into x minus 2 divided by 6 is 7. So this will be 10x plus 20 minus 9x, minus minus becomes plus, that is 18 by 6, that is 7. So this will be x plus 38 by 6 is 7. So x plus 38, this will go on the other side, that will be 6 7s are 42. So x will be 42 minus 38. So x is going to be 4. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.